All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining me. And in this video, we're going to have a little bit of fun with the Honda and that Audi that you see right in front of me. So someone who has been on the channel before got rid of their Subaru in favor of an Audi. I don't know, good move, bad move, I don't know. But I'll tell you right now, I've driven an Audi S3 before, Blake, and I'm telling you, those things are super duper nice. But we'll take a closer look at it after we do some runs, and and you guys will see who it is, who got rid of their Subaru, and etc. So stay tuned. So Paul, you guys have seen him on the channel. He's the one that had the silver WRX, no longer has the Subi. That's right. He grew up a little bit and bought himself a grown man's car, which is the Audi S3. Just look at that, the smell of brand new car. Back seat, got back seat room. Oh, you even got vents and charging ports in the back. That's pretty cool.
It's dark. I can show you the lighting. Everything lights up.
Oh, really? Got the techno lights and all that stuff in there?
It's the cup holders, like around the...
Oh, yeah, I can see that. The cup holders do light up. All this lights up, too?
And then this right here.
Oh, I can see that. I can see the glow on it, too. Look at Audi, man. Big step up from the Subaru, though.
It has lights under the front seats.
Yeah.
For the passenger in the back. So you can
oh, yeah.
Shoes.
You can't see that now. All right, so driving the Type R for a couple of days now, I will say there is one thing that I really don't like about the Type R. One, yes, I know it's front-wheel drive. You guys have reminded me about that several times, is that when you get on it, there's wheel hop, and I will show you in just a minute. Let's see if this is a good example. This wheel hop issue is usually not an issue with the Subaru, so come on. See if I step on it in second gear. Hate that. Frustrating, I know, it's front wheel drive, not much you can do about that, but yes, totally understand. And it's really not all that wet out here right now. Wheel slick. Okay, all right, you guys saw us run the Type R against the Audi S3. So here we are against Paul's wife. She owns a 2020 STI, bone stock, no modifications whatsoever. And we're gonna do some pulls on that. Let's see how the Type R and the STI compare to each other with no modifications to the engine whatsoever. You missed a gear. I hit red line. Dang it. All right, so there it is, Type R against S3 and an STI. Man, that was pretty cool. One thing I really don't like, a dang wheel hop issue when it gets up to the upper RPMs, an issue that I don't have with all-wheel drive in the STI. But overall, the Type R is a lot quicker than I expected, to be perfectly honest with you. Even though I hit redline every single time, that's something I really got to get used to in this car, and not hitting that rev limiter. But other than that, yeah, awesome. Type R is pretty quick. All right, so there it is, Type R versus S3 versus STI. All three cars are bone stock from the factory. So big congratulations to Paul for picking up his Audi S3. His WRX that you've seen on the channel is no longer. We will see if I don't know if he's going to sell any of his old parts, but we will see about that. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, so far so good. Anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.